Hello students, myself Hena Shah, Assistant Professor at LG Institutes of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss few more topics of applications of partial derivatives. So let us begin with the first topic, that is tangent plane and normal line. So firstly we will discuss it graphically. Let P be any point on the surface of f of x, y, z. So this is a point P, and let Q be any other point on it. So this is our point Q on the surface f of x, y, z. Any curve is taken on the surface joining Q and P. So we are taking this curve joining Q and P. As Q tends to P along this curve, the chord PQ, that is this chord PQ, in general goes to a definite straight line. This straight line is called tangent line to the surface P. Right? Now, since different curves can be obtained by joining Q and P, we can form different types of curves, that is joining Q and P. Different tangent lines are obtained at P. Such tangent lines lie in a plane called tangent plane to the surface P. The line through P perpendicular to the tangent plane is called normal to the surface at P. Now let us discuss the method to find tangent plane and normal line. So the equation of tangent plane at P of x0, y0, z0, this is our point P, to the surface f of x, y, z is equal to 0 is given by x minus x0 fx at x0, y0, z0, that is partial derivative with respect to x at point P, right, plus y minus y0 fy at x0, y0, z0, that is partial derivative of f with respect to y at point P. And lastly plus z minus z0 fz at x0, y0, z0. This is partial derivative of f with respect to z at our point P. Now the equation of the normal line at P of x0, y0, z0 is given by x minus x0 upon fx at x0, y0, z0 is equal to y minus y0 upon fy at x0, y0, z0 equals to z minus z0 upon fz at x0, y0, z0. So in this type of sums, what we have to do is firstly find these partial derivatives, then put the point P and put all the values of the partial derivatives and the point P in our given equations of tangent plane and normal line. So now let us solve one example, that is we are to find the equation of tangent plane and normal line to the surface cos pi x minus x square y plus e raised to xz plus yz is equal to 4 at the point P0, 1, 2. So firstly let us write our f of x, y, z, that is equal to cos pi x minus x square y plus e raised to xz plus yz. Take this 4 on the left side, so minus 4. Right? So this is our function which is equal to 0. Now let us find the partial derivative of f with respect to x. So start finding the partial derivative keeping y and z as constant. You have to keep y and z constant. So answer will be minus sine pi x, and using chain rule what will come? Pi. Minus, now do the derivative with respect to x. So this will be minus 2xy plus e raised to xz. Now we are doing derivative with respect to x. So what will come? Z, and this will be constant, so it will be equal to 0, and this is also constant, so derivative will be equal to 0. Right? Now let us find del f by del y. Now you will keep what constant? X and z as constant. So keeping x and z constant, find the derivative. So here it will be equal to 0. So this will be equal to minus x square because derivative of y will be 1. Again these two are constant, x and z. Therefore again the derivative will be equal to 0 plus, now here z is constant and derivative of y will be equal to 1. And again this is constant, so derivative will be equal to 0. Now lastly let us find del f by del z. So here we will put x and y as constant. So putting these two constant, let us find the derivative. So this term will go to 0. Again x and y are constant, so derivative will be 0. Here the derivative will be x e raised to xz. Now here we are doing derivative with respect to z. So plus y because derivative of z will be equal to 1. Now this is a constant term, so derivative will be equal to 0. So finally the answer is this. Now let us put the point P. Del f by del x at point P, that is 0, 1 and 2. So on putting 0, 1, 2 you will get answer as 2. Next let us put the point P in del f by del y. Right, so again the answer will be equal to 2. Lastly let us put the point P in del f by del z. So answer will be equal to 1. Now let us find the equation of tangent plane, which is given by x minus x0 fx at point P plus y minus y0 fy at point P plus z minus z0 fz at point P is equal to 0. Now we know our P is 0, 1 and 2 and answers of these are 2, 2 and 1. So let us put all the values. So x minus 0 into 2 plus y minus 1 into 2 plus z minus 2 into 1 equals to 0. Let us simplify. So this will be equal to 2x plus 2y minus 2 plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. So finally this will be equal to 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. So this is our equation of tangent plane. Now let us find our normal line. Right? So equation of normal line is given by x minus x0 upon fx at point P is equal to y minus y0 upon fy at point P equals to z minus z0 upon fz at point P. Again let us put the values of x0, y0, z0, that is 0, 1, 2 and the partial derivatives at point P. So answer will be x minus 0 upon fx at point P, that is equal to 2 is equal to y minus 1 upon, again this answer is 2, and lastly z minus 2 upon fz at point P is 1. So this is our equation of normal line and this is our equation of tangent plane. Right? Now let us check one more example. We have to find the equation of tangent plane and normal line to the surface xyz is equal to 6 at point 1, 2, 3. So let us begin with the solution. So let f of xyz is equal to xyz minus 6 equals to 0. So let us find the derivatives. Therefore fx, fy, fz will be equal to yz, xz and xy. We have to apply the similar procedure of keeping constant y and z. Here we will put x and z constant and here x and y as constant. Now put your point as 1, 2 and 3. So fx at 1, 2 and 3 will be equal to 6. Fy at 1, 2 and 3 will be equal to 3 and fz at point 1, 2 and 3 will be equal to 2. Now let us use these values and find the equation of tangent plane. So the equation of tangent plane at P 1, 2, 3 is given by x minus x0 fx at 1, 2, 3 plus y minus y0 fy at 1, 2, 3 plus z minus z0 sz at 1, 2, 3 equals to 0. Now let us put the value of point P, that is x0, y0, z0 and the values of partial derivatives. So we will get x minus 1 into 6 because fx is 6 plus y minus 2 into 3 plus z minus 3 into 2 is equal to 0. Simplify by opening the bracket. So you will get 6x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 18. So this is our equation of tangent plane. Now let us find the equation of normal line at P of 1, 2, 3, which is given by x minus x0 upon fx at 1, 2, 3 is equal to y minus y0 upon fy at 1, 2, 3 equals to z minus z0 upon fz at 1, 2, 3. Now put the value of x0, y0, z0 which is 1, 2, 3 and the values of partial derivatives. So you will get x minus 1 upon 6 equals to y minus 2 upon 3 equals to z minus 3 upon 2. So this is our equation of normal line, right? Now let us go to our next example. Here we have to show that the surface is z is equal to xy minus 2. This is the first surface, and x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 3. This is our second surface. Have same tangent plane at 1, 1, minus 1. That is, we have to find the answer of tangent plane of this and see whether the answer is same or not. So let us begin with the solution. For the first surface, that is f of x, y, z is equal to xy minus z minus 2. We have taken the z on this side. So firstly, let us find the partial derivatives. That is fx at x, y, z, keeping what constant? Y and z as constant. So answer will be y. Similarly, find fy. So here you have to put x and z as constant. So your answer will be x. And finally, find fz, keeping x and y constant. So answer will be only minus 1. Now put your point P, that is 1, 1, minus 1. So on putting your point P, you will get fx as 1, fy as 1 and fz as minus 1. So now let us find the equation of tangent plane at point P of 1, 1, minus 1. So it is given by x minus x0 fx at 1, 1, minus 1 plus y minus y0 fy at point 1, 1, minus 1 plus z minus z0 into fz of 1, 1, minus 1 equals to 0. Now put the value of point P and the values of fx, fy and fz at the point 1, 1, minus 1. So let us put and simplify. So x minus 1 into 1 plus y minus 1 into 1 plus z plus 1 because our z0 is minus 1. So plus z plus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 0. Finally simplify by opening the brackets. So you will get the answer of the tangent plane as x plus y minus z is equal to 3. Now let us find the equation of the tangent plane to the surface. F of x, y, z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 3. Again let us find the partial derivative of this with respect to x, y and z. So fx will be equal to 2x, fy will be equal to 2y, fz will be equal to 2z. Again put our point P, that is 1, 1, minus 1. So you will get answer as 2, 2, minus 2, right? Now let us put the values of the point P and the values of partial derivatives in our equation of tangent plane, which is given by x minus x0 into fx at 1, 1, minus 1 plus y minus y0 into fy at point 1, 1, minus 1 plus z minus z0 into fz at point 1, 1, minus 1 equals to 0. So let us put the values of the point P and the values of the derivatives. So you will get x minus 1 into 2 plus y minus 1 into 2 plus z plus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Now simplify this by opening the bracket. Finally you will get 2x plus 2y minus 2z equals to 6. Now take out 2 common. So you will get x plus y minus z equals to 3. So you can see that the surface is z is equal to xy minus 2 and x square plus y square plus z is equal to 3 have same tangent plane at point 1, 1, minus 1. So in today's lecture you have studied two types of equation. First is we have studied to find equation of tangent plane at point P of x0, y0, z0 to the surface f of x, y, z is equal to 0. So this is given by x minus x0 fx at point P plus y minus y0 fy at point P plus z minus z0 fz at point P equals to 0. The next you have studied is to find equation of normal line at point P of x0, y0, z0 to the surface f of x, y, z equals to 0. So it is given by x minus x0 upon fx at point P equals to y minus y0 upon fy at point P equals to z minus z0 upon fz at point P. So firstly you only have to find the partial derivatives, then put the point P and put all the values in these two equations and you will get your final answer. So I hope you have understood throughout the topic. Thank you for watching.